Comparing the renderings to like how the church looks now, it looks much better, especially with how the altar looks and all the pews and the roof. It looks much better.
The new altar will help me zone in and feel more like close to the Eucharist because I can see all the saints that he has helped get to heaven.
I really like the marble in the front on the floor. It will attract people and maybe make more people go to the school.
They're beautiful and really help people to focus more on the Eucharist and what's going on here.
It definitely helps to have a more distraction-free environment to help focus on God more. Definitely throughout Mass, I find myself kind of looking up, just being distracted by all the stains in the roof.
Yes, I've noticed this tile up there that it's just kind of like slanted, and I just expect it to fall down any day now.
The pews creak a lot, so it would be good to get new pews.
The kneelers, they've been broken, and then the cushions are very thin.
I think it would definitely help us see more beauty in the church and help us to focus more on God.
Well, Jesus lives here, and we need to make it nice for him.
Me and my peers were very excited to see how this place has changed from one thing to another thing. Everything new would be exciting to see how it works out.
I'm definitely excited to see our faith and our church restored and also renewed.